Today is hot and muggy, and there's a lot to get done for the party. Here we go.
Welcome back, everyone. Mike here. First up on the agenda here, I'm going to clean up here by the chicken coop just a little bit. Did you ever notice how kids are drawn to chickens like a moth to a light? They really are. Whenever there's little kids over here, they're always grabbing chickens and carrying them around and stuff like that. So right here in front of the coop, it's kind of muddy, got some stinky straw. I'm going to get rid of this. Maybe put a little bit of stone down. Keep people out of mud. The straw really holds moisture. Keeps everything wet, which is why you put it on grass when you plant it, but you don't want it here. I may actually let this dry out a little bit today before I put some stone down. It's amazing how quick it starts to dry up once you get that straw off of there. But I think I'll wait another couple hours here. I'll just swing back up by here in a little bit, put some stone down. Alright, next on the agenda, I'm going to clean this area up down here. I have a whole bunch of like firewood rounds, just kind of like random stuff laying around that I'm going to split up, toss in a pile. Got a few little firewood poles over there. I'm not going to cut them up today, but I'll move them out of here, and then I will put the Wolfe ridge away. I've had it down here for like 3 weeks. Normally I keep it in the garage, but I've just been covering it with a tarp because I've been using it so much. I really don't like doing that, but it is what it is. So I'm going to finish this up down here, get this cleaned up. And also, the Wolfe Ridge splitter is part of the super secret surprise this Thursday. You'll see.
Okay, daughter Hannah, as Mike says, daughter Hannah. I just call her Hannah. We really don't walk around calling her daughter Hannah. Come here, honey. She's got some clothes she's gonna hang on the line. Don't you want to show them your clothes?
What?
The clothes you're gonna hang on the line. Okay, well, she's on their way to the clothesline. She's hanging on clothes. I just wanted to show everybody how domesticated you are.
Thanks.
Well, we had a bit of a rain delay. It stormed pretty hard for about an hour and a half. So I went and did some running around, took care of some things I needed to do, and I'm back down here at the Renewable Energy Processing Center. I have some big oak rounds here I want to split up, get that done, take the splitter back up to the house, get it cleaned up because it's part of the big surprise for Thursday. Only 7 pieces left to split, but there's some pretty big hunks of red oak, a lot of firewood laying right there. Those big ones, I like to just use the 4-way wedge on them instead of the 6-way. Not because it won't split with the 6-way, but they're so big, if you get 4 chunks out of them, then run it through the 4-way one more time, should be about the right size. So here's daughter Eva. Where are you headed tonight?
I'm going to my friend's house to sleep over.
Really?
Yep.
When will you be back?
Tomorrow morning.
Got a lot of work to do tomorrow, you know that.
Yeah.
Get ready for the party.
Yep.
Huh. So we got a lot done today, we really did. I didn't get it all on film, we were running around pretty busy all day long, but we accomplished quite a bit. Now we have another storm about to blow in. Hopefully this kind of changes and we don't have the same kind of weather Saturday night. All I need is from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. It can even rain before that, it can rain after it. 6 to 11 is what I'm looking for. I mean, it would be great if it was dry all day Saturday and Saturday night. One can only hope. But anyway, remember, Thursday evening, probably around 7 o'clock, we'll have a pretty cool video, something a little surprise there for Thursday. And then Saturday, 10 p.m. Eastern, we'll be live streaming our fireworks show, weather permitting. Hopefully that'll work out. And I think that's about it. Oh, I got the Wolfe Ridge splitter loaded up on the trailer. That's part of the special surprise there on Thursday. I think that's about it. But anyway, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.